What's up, guys? Today is a beautiful day of opportunity, and I'm excited to bring you a new development, new feature, standard feature for Diamond C goosenecks. The gooseneck coupler for, gosh, the last 40 years, almost the whole time Diamond C's been in business, is virtually unchanged. It is a little, manual gooseneck latch that is a hard metal coupler that goes on a hard ball on a truck or vehicle hard suspension, and it just, you've got that harsher ride naturally. And so what we've set out to do is change that with a standard gooseneck coupler, introducing the CURT Cushion Coupler. It has quick latch technology, so it auto latches. But when we talk about that cushion technology, you see this little silver pin here. All this cavity right here is filled with rubber, and it rotates on that pin there and cushions your ride. As you have that fore aft motion of the trailer pushing on the truck and you're hitting bumps and dips and holes, the trailer is bucking and pushing on the truck. Well, that rubber in there absorbs that fore aft energy, a lot of it, and really improves the ride of your gooseneck trailer. So it will be standard on all gooseneck trailers up to 30,000 pounds with a 40K version on the way. Again, standard equipment. Jump on diamondc.com. There you can learn more about it. CURT Cushion Coupler.